Hello students, today we will be completing tutorial number 17. Line track number 1. In this tutorial, we will continue using the light sensor. Here, we're going to look at what seems to be a really complex and intelligent behavior, line tracking. But we will show you that's really not as hard as it seems. Line tracking occurs when the robot uses the light sensor to follow a line of dark electrical tape. This electrical tape can be put in a line, curve, or even a circle, and the robot is still able to follow its path. To see line tracking in action, watch this short video clip. And that is basically what you'll see throughout the whole video. Step 1, make sure you have the light sensor built and attached to your robot. If needed, go to pages 32 to 34 of the Rembot building instructions or the Rembot website. Build and attach the light sensor. Step 2, because line tracking is such a common act for robots, our software actually has its own line track function. Under line tracking, find line track left and drag it into your programming column. Step 3, next we will need to tell the software what port the light sensor is plugged into. We will select S3 because it is plugged into the sensor port 3. Remember that the sensor ports are the ones in the bottom of your programmer and the motor ports are the ones in the top of your programmer. Step 4, next we need to tell the software what the threshold for our robot is. If you forgot how to find the threshold, please refer to tutorial number 16, step 2. The first number space is for the threshold value. So in our examples, we've been using 35. Step 5, the last two number values tells us what we want the speed of the robot's motors to be during the swing turns. The default for the line track program has your robot tires moving at speed 50. That is fast for line tracking. Depending on how thick your line is, the robot might move completely off the line before being able to detect the line due to its speed. So we are going to tell the moving motor to move at a speed of 30, that is the second number value, and the stop motor to stay at a speed of 0, so it's not moving at all, which is the third motor value. Step 6, finally, we want our robot to line track forever until we abort the program. So add a repeat forever function to your program and then drag the line track function inside of it. Your program is now ready to download and test. Why do you think this program is called line track left? Hint, what side of the line is the robot following? Practice. Make sure you've completed the practice problem given throughout the tutorial. These skills are necessary to make your robot complete the task below. Line track number 1, final project task. Program your robot to line track the right side of a piece of electrical tape forever.